What's up, guys? So today we are here with my friend and we are going to start doing the job of putting the poles on their places and also putting the renter, because guys, we want to start now building this house. Guys, I want you to remember that this house is a traditional house, so I'm gonna take you step by step, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end as my engineer is doing this. Yeah.
yeah, thank you. I do.
Yeah. Yeah, engineer.
Yeah.
Sasa hapo nataka kufanya namna gani?
Hapa nataka kutengeneza kitu ambayo kitakuwa kitu ambayo kitaeleweka. Kitu nyumba
kwanza waambie umetravel all the way kutoka wapi mpaka hapa?
Mimi nimetoka mpaka huko pande ya Meru huko chini. Sasa mambo ya nyumba za kienyeji najua sana.
Sawa kabisa. So guys, we are here and I have my friend here. He's gonna help me. He's all the way from Meru and they just came to visit because he's a friend. So guys, stay tuned because we are taking you step by step. First, we are cutting the tree, these poles to be at the same height, so that we can start from there. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, yeah? Yeah. So guys, we are doing the leveling. Now we are putting the rinto, so we are measuring, because we did not find there are some specific trees that
means that
unajua,
uliniambia wewe ni carpenter, ulikuwa mmoja wa kusulubisha Yesu.
Mungu anaunga mikono tunamgonga misumari.
Hata mimi ningekuwa kwa hiyo wakati yenu, ningempiga misumari ya sangai.
Tutamfanya
juu kama sio yeye, mimi singepata msamaha wa dhambi. Na sasa nataka kudanganya, atanisikia, atanisamehe. Unajua atanisamehe. Mimi nitakudanganya na atanisamehe. Na ukweli atanisamehe tu. Lakini kukudanganya nitakudanganya kwa neema tu. Nisipokudanganya,
mimi huwezi nidanganya.
Nitakudanganya.
Mimi mtoto wa mjini.
Saa ngapi sasa kusema mjini kusema nini? Ukikuta flow ya mjini utawaambiaje?
So guys, as you can see, we have already put the renter around here. So from here, we want to start now fixing down here so that it can be strong. We did this because we wanted the level and we did not have the real material that we are supposed to use, and we did not also have the correct, there's specific trees that they use to tie up here, but we did not have them. You know, nowadays people have changed and have cut down a lot of trees which are not found easily. So right now we have this eucalyptus, and that's what we are gonna use here. And the blue gum, sorry, blue gum, not eucalyptus, the blue gum. So this is what we have used here, and this is
yeah, this is a good area for us to stay.
Yeah. Yeah, that is
it's good.
Yeah, that is it. So guys, we are continuing the job. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. So guys, now what we are doing here is that we are feeding the holes so that it can be stable. As you can see, guys, the house has started to form this one way, so we are remaining with the upper part. It's a big house, by the way. It's a big house, very big. You can have a bed here. This is a bed sitter. So we are going to fill the holes. That's why we decided to do that, so that we can have the level all around. So stay tuned, guys. So we are continuing this, you know. Yeah, this is it. But also the rain is really coming. You can see from the upper side, from those sides here. Yeah, the rain is really coming, but we have to work to the end. So stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud.
So guys, I really want to appreciate you so much for the love and support, for what you are doing to me, to change my life here in the village. So I want to say thank you. May God bless you. Bye bye, guys, for today. See you on the next one. Peace.